Bitumen coating is applied to footing foundations primarily for waterproofing and protection against moisture. It creates a barrier that prevents water penetration into the foundation, helping to avoid potential damage caused by water seepage, corrosion, and other related issues. To close the capillarity of concrete and the little cracks from where the humidity will rise in the structure and to prevent the possibility of a chemical contamination of concrete. To give protection from percolation of underground water. APCS 3 and APCS 10 bitumen concrete coating is required to protect foundations reinforcement bars. Protection from sulfate attack. It is to form a barricade against the soil reaction, especially in black cotton soil and at seashore areas. This bitumen paint also should be some extra micron thick, otherwise no use. Protection against dampness. Standing water is a friend to concrete. It promotes curing and hardening. It's the salts, minerals and harm to the interior rebar, and its oxidation or rusting. Concrete is moisture permeable and the water can cause the rebar to rust. This is for the protection only for the rebar, to protect reinforcements from subsoil moisture. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.